Teddy Owens here, and these short segments mean the boys stop by some of the newest places around, along with destinations that some may not be privy to. Welcome to Visit McCurtain County's Hidden Gems. Today, we're checking out the brand new Gutter Chaos.
I'm being too loud, he's saying.
Come on, Teddy, act like you've done this.
Who said I was a professional? I'm just some guy they picked up off the street.
That lady giving me a hard time is Melanie, the co-owner of Hochatown's newest attraction.
It's not just a bowling alley here.
Right. We like to think of it just as a destination. All in one, we have something for every age group. There's bowling, but we also have our 3,000 square foot arcade.
And what an arcade it is. We were able to spend hours inside the arcade. The fun really picked up once our competitive sides came out. Especially when you place an arcade punching bag around dudes that need to show off their testosterones.
We also have our full restaurant.
We got a lot going on there.
There's a lot. There are sandwiches, there's burgers. We do a lot of starters like redneck nachos, trash can nachos.
Troy, is it just me or is this sign feel like we're at a comedy club or something?
What's the deal with gutter balls? Am I right?
Stick to my regular job. Okay.
Sticking to what I'm good at, it was time to show off. I guess Melanie thought otherwise when she turned on the gutter bumpers for me. Huh, embarrassing.
That's where the good times roll.
Yeah. We're gonna turkey it up tonight.
We could have done without that.
Think we're gonna get a 300 today?
Maybe.
Okay, she's got great confidence in me. I'm confident, I'm pumped. We're here at Gutter Chaos. Come check it out. So we're back here with Lauren. We're getting a quick interview with you real fast. So appreciate you. Your mom said, we got to interview you. You're so excited. You're a big fan of the show. I'm jealous. They want you to do my line for me.
I'm Teddy Owens. Thanks for watching.
Happy?